Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And I have here a situation I've seen before multiple times, and I will try to guide you through a process that you can do to actually do some inexpensive repairs if you have this situation, or maybe you have brakes that were installed at the dealer or a shop, and they need to fix them. So you can show them this procedure to fix your problem. So I installed brand new brakes, and within maybe like 100 miles they started squeaking. So they would only squeak and make these screeching noises at low speed, and especially when they're cold when I get in the car. Here's the deal. Usually when you get these brakes, I got brand new pads and brand new rotors, and they have this it's kind of a grayish paint. It's like a primer thing. You're not supposed to touch it. You leave it on, and the brake pad actually will kind of get it off, and then it'll get built in the brake pad. And they recommend that you leave it on so it gets built within the brake pad, and then it helps the brake pad and the rotor to last longer. Also, there's another way of doing this where some people have advised to do a braking procedure. I've done the braking procedures before in some cars because the brakes will start squeaking immediately after the installation and they will not work properly. Now, in this case, the instructions on these brakes, and I got the original brakes that come on this Volkswagen, and I was according to the instructions, they had advisory not to do braking procedures or anything like that. You need to drive slow for about 200 miles or 200 kilometers actually, which is about 120 miles. I did everything according to what their advisory was on the brake system, but I ended up with these things here. So I think this is a material that came off the rotor and got stuck to the brake pad. But now I have, like I said, I have these squeaking things. So the best thing that you can do in this case, if you're doing this on your own, or again you're trying to help a shop that doesn't know what they're doing, they have to do something like this for you to actually fix squeaking brakes. There are two things you can do. You have to get 80 grit sandpaper, and you have to get it clean and it's ready for these pads. And what you're going to do is you have to clean obviously this material here. You can just use a flat screwdriver and just kind of get it off, because this material has to be gone. Like your sides, they have to be clean. So you get this, and then whatever you see here, you're going to use it. You're going to get your brake pads, and you're going to use the 80 grit sandpaper and get over the brake pads, and just kind of sand them down. And once you sand them down, and you see they're going to become kind of roughed up. They're not going to be like shiny as before. You need to get them roughed up. That's what you need, so they're clean. And then what you're going to need to do is, this is something that not many people know about. This is a special something black. It's a black color liquid. I don't know what it has, but we have used this many times. And this thing, just like it says, quiets noisy brakes, stop squeal is the actual name. Part number, I guess PN is this 860. It's made by this company BG. This is an amazing product, and it has helped tremendously every single time I have had problems with brakes with customers. And you can get this online. I don't know if the regular stores would have it, the regular auto parts stores will have it, but you get this online. So again, I need to clean this corner a little bit here. Okay, and then what you do is you take this bottle out, you open the cap obviously, then you put a little bit here on the top, and you kind of smudge it with your glove, and you let it get soaked inside the brake pad material. Once you do this clean your fingers, clean your gloves, so they're actually clean, so you don't end up with some extra junk on top of the brake pads. And you do the same thing with this other brake pads. As you can see, you're already taking off material. It's just all you need to take off is just a little bit, not a whole lot. So you kind of rough it up, and it's not as shiny. You don't see any grooves or whatever from the rotors. So these are ready to be installed and kind of start from a new setting, I guess. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this black thing here, and put it on, spread it evenly, and you let it dry. That's what it looks like when it's dry. It's just kind of black, flat black color, whatever it is. But this helps tremendously with the noises. Also, if you end up with that situation, we have seen this multiple times. In a lot of cases, you would get this kind of extra material. Let's say you don't have new brakes, but you actually have used brakes, and at some point they start squeaking like crazy. The one thing that we have seen a lot is situations where people would use, they would go to the car washing places, like car cleaning places, or manual car washes, hand car washes, whatever you call them, with these people, cleaning your cars. They would end up using those silicone things to make your tire shiny, and they spray the whole tire, and the silicone ends up on your brakes and actually gets stuck on the brake pads, and it'll make the same exact thing as what you saw. This extra material that will get stuck, and it'll get inside the brake pad, and it will kind of mess up your brake pads and rotors, because it'll prevent them from proper stopping, and it'll create the squeaking noise. So pay attention to that one. It's a very famous case, with people doing that at the car wash places, and the owners not realizing what's happening. And I've seen this multiple times. Okay, guys, well, I hope this helped you. I'm sure it's gonna help you, because it has helped me. This procedure has helped me multiple times, and to fix your problem cheap and fast. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching again. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.